In this video, I'll guide you through how to book now and pay later on Expedia. This is really handy if you found a great place to stay, but you're not quite ready to be charged for it yet. Maybe you're waiting on travel plans to fully firm up, or you just prefer to settle the bill closer to your stay. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Expedia in your browser or on the mobile app and start by searching for a hotel. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and how many guests will be staying. Take a second to double check those dates before you hit search because your options and prices are based on that information. Once everything looks good, start your search to see the available properties. When the list of hotels appears, you'll want to look specifically for places that offer a reserve now, pay later option. This wording can appear slightly differently depending on your region, but you're looking for language that clearly indicates you don't have to pay at the time of booking. Not every hotel offers this, so if you don't see it, keep scrolling until you find a property that does. You can also click into a hotel's details page to confirm that Reserve Now, Pay Later is available for at least one of the room types. Once you've found a property that offers this option, go ahead and select it to view more details. Take a moment to review photos, amenities, guest reviews, and especially the payment and cancellation policies. Even when you're reserving now and paying later, there may still be deadlines to cancel without fees, so it's important to read that section carefully. Next, choose the specific room you want. On the room selection screen, look for the rate that clearly shows reserve now, pay later, or similar wording. Sometimes the same room type will appear with different payment options, such as paying upfront or paying at the property, so make sure you click on the one that matches your intention to pay later. Double check the price, the bed type, and whether things like breakfast or free cancellation are included. After choosing your room, you'll move on to entering your guest information. Here, you'll typically enter the main guest's full name and contact details, such as an email address and phone number. Make sure the name matches the ID you'll use at check-in. You may also be asked for any special requests, like a late check-in or a quiet room. Keep in mind, these are usually not guaranteed, but you can add them here if needed. Once your guest information is filled out, review everything on the confirmation screen before you finalize the booking. You might still need to provide a card as a guarantee, but you should see clearly that you're not being charged right now. Look for wording that confirms you will pay at the property or closer to your stay, and that the total due now is zero. When you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the booking. After you've confirmed, your reservation is complete without paying immediately. Expedia will send you a confirmation email with all the details, including your payment terms and cancellation policy. Keep an eye on the cancellation deadlines shown there. You'll either pay later at the hotel when you check in or check out, or before the cancellation deadline if the property charges your card ahead of time according to their policy. As long as you follow those terms, you've successfully booked now and arranged to pay later through Expedia.